Hi students, today we are going to start a something exercise 13.1, right? Exercise 13.1, and just students, please just keep those things in your mind. Please thorough the formulas first, right? And yesterday video, right? That is nothing but a explanation, derivation of the formula. Please watch the video properly, right? And you want to know lateral surface area, curved surface area, and what is meant by total surface area, and what is meant by volume, and what is meant by cuboid, sphere, that you want to know, right? So please watch that video. That is very important, and that will be very useful for you while you are solving this exercise, right? Okay, sum number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. So while we are seeing the measurements, dimensions, we can say that whether the plastic box is cube or cuboid. So I didn't read the entire question. While I am reading the first line from the dimensions, right? From the dimension itself, we are coming to the conclusion. A shape of the plastic box is nothing but cuboid, because length, breadth, and height, we are having three different measurements, right? So 1.5 meter long, length, 1.25 meter wide, that is breadth, and 65 centimeter deep, that is height, is to be made. We want to made a plastic box with these measurements. It is opened at the top. That means, yes, the top, we don't want to calculate the top area. Only we want to calculate the four sides, right? Four walls and the bottom, right? Bottom. That is nothing but floor. We have to neglect. We have to leave the top area, right? Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet. That is nothing but ignoring thickness of the plastic sheet. Determine. We want to determine two subdivisions are there, right? One by one we want to find. First, what we want to find? The area of the sheet required for making the box. The area of the sheet required for making the box. So we want to find the surface area of the box. That is what shape the box is? Cuboid. So surface area of the cuboid we want to find, right? Surface area of a cuboid. So here LSA, lateral surface area of a cuboid, or total surface area of a cuboid. Both, we can't use both the formula, because see, if top and bottom, if we are removing the top and bottom, and only we are calculating the four sides, right? Four walls alone or four sides alone, if we are calculating, that is LSA, lateral surface area. If you are including the LSA with the top and bottom, right? If you are including the area of top and bottom with the LSA, then it will be TSA. But here they are not including the top area alone, right? It is open at the top, means the top area is, there is no top area, right? There is no top area, only we want to calculate the bottom area. So how we want to find? Means simple. Surface area of a cuboid is equal to LSA of cuboid plus area of the bottom. What is the shape of the bottom? Rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So we know the formula of LSA of a cuboid, and we know the area of the bottom shape, right? We know the formulas. So first see, that's very important. One more thing, very important, a very important thing. See, in the word problems, right, while we are reading, first we have to sort out the given things, right? First we have to sort out the given things. Next we want to write to find what we want to find, because by seeing the find to find, right? By seeing to find, what formula is needed, right? What formula is needed? For the formula, what are the values are needed, whether it is available in the given part or not. If it is not so, then how we want to find? We have to think. So first we want to write given and to find. That's very important. So see here, what are things we are having here? Length is equal to 1.5 meter. Length of the box, L is equal to 1.5 meter. Next, breadth is equal to, this wide is nothing but breadth, that is 1.25 meter. So breadth is equal to 1.25 meter. Next, height, deep is nothing but height, right? Depth is nothing but height. Height is nothing but 65 centimeter. H is equal to 65 centimeter. right? And moreover, this is very important thing, just keep in your mind whenever you are solving, right? The length, the breadth and height, all the measurements, all the dimensions should be in the same units, right? If it is not so, we have to convert to the same units, right? Here length is nothing but meter, and breadth is also they have given in terms of meter, but see the height, it is in the form of centimeter, right? It is in the form of centimeter. So better you can change all the terms in terms of centimeter or meter, whatever it may be. I am just converting in terms of centimeter because it is in the form of decimal. While we are converting meter to centimeter, the decimal will remove, right? So meter to centimeter is nothing but converting meter to centimeters is nothing but multiplying by 100. So it is nothing but L is equal to 1.5 into 100, right? L is equal to, right? L is equal to 1.5 into 100. 100 is equal to how much? 150 centimeter, right? Next, breadth is equal to 1.25 into 100. Meter to centimeter multiplying by 100. It is nothing but 125 centimeter. Already height is nothing but centimeter only, right? You can take as it is. And these three things alone we are having in the given. No, still we are having one more thing. What is it? The cost per meter square, right? Cost of sheet. We want to find first what we want to find. We want to find the area. Second subdivision, we want to find the cost for the total sheet, right? The cost for the total sheet for each meter square, the cost is nothing but rupees 20, right? So cost of 1 meter square, right? Cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20. Area of a sheet, cost of a sheet, right? Now we will find the solution. So first one is nothing but I'm going to find the area of a sheet, that is nothing but surface area of a plastic box, right? Surface area of a plastic box. Surface area of a plastic box is equal to LSA of cuboid, LSA of cuboid plus area of bottom, right? Area of bottom. What is shape of area of bottom? Rectangle, right? In the cuboid is nothing but we are having 6 rectangles, right? Area of bottom is nothing but rectangle, right? So use the formula. What is the formula for LSA of cuboid? 2 into L plus B into H plus what is the area of bottom? Length into breadth, right? Area of bottom is nothing but area of rectangle is nothing but length and width we are having. So L into B, length into breadth. Now we know the values L, B, H, right? Now we know the length, breadth as well as height. Substitute and simplify, we'll get the answers. So substitute one by one. See, now we are having two terms, right? This fully one term and L and B one term, right? We have to simplify all the elements, whatever we are having. First we want to simplify, and the same thing second term also we have to simplify all the terms. Next, then only we have to add these two, right? After finally only we have to add these two, right? Substitute and simplify. 2 into L, what is L? 150. L 150 plus breadth is equal to 125 into height H is nothing but 65, right? I'm putting a big bracket plus open the bracket L into B. What is L? L is nothing but 150 and B is nothing but 125. So 150 into 125, right? First multiply these things. First we want to add these two, right? I'm just multiplying these two, right? So it's nothing but 2 into 150 plus 125, 275 into 65, right? Just I'm removing the bracket by adding these two values plus 150 into 125, right? 150 into 125 is nothing but while we are multiplying 150 into 125, we will get 18,750, right? 18,750, right? Next it's nothing but just while we are multiplying 2 into 275 into 65, what will get 35,750 plus 18,750. While we are adding these two, we will get 54,500 centimeters square, right? 54,500 centimeters square. While we are adding these two, we will get 54,500 centimeters square, right? So therefore area of a plastic box, therefore surface area of a plastic box, that is cuboid, is equal to 54,500, right? Still we want to find one more thing. What is it? We want to find the cost, right? We want to find the cost, right? Cost of a sheet we want to find. but what is the given? Cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20, but we are having in terms of centimeter square, right? Here we are having in terms of meter square. For 1 meter square rupees 20 is charging, right? But here we are having in terms of centimeter square. So first we want to convert to centimeter to meter. So meter to centimeter we have multiplied, right? While we are converting meter to centimeter, we have multiplied by 100, right? Meter to centimeter multiplied by 100. Centimeter to meter, I am converting centimeter to meter, we want to divide it by 100, right? We want to divide it by 100. So just keep those things. See that here we are having centimeter square, right? Centimeter square is there. Centimeter square means how we want to write centimeter into centimeter, right? For 1 centimeter, if we are converting into meter, we want to divide it by 100, right? So we are having 2 centimeters, right? Centimeter into centimeter. That means we want to divide twice, divided by 100. Understood? So it's something that 54,500 centimeter square has been. How we want to divide means dividing into meter square is nothing but 54,500 divided by 100 into 100 meter square. Understood? Why I am just dividing by 100 into 100? Centimeter square, converting centimeter square to meter square. Centimeters means we want to divide only once by 100. Centimeter squares means we want to divide twice by 100. Centimeter cube means we want to divide 100 by 3 times, right? Thrice. Simplify. 0, 0 cancel. 545 divided by 100. It's nothing but 5.45 meter square. Right? Therefore, area of a plastic box is equal to 5.45 meter square. Now we want to find cost. Cost we are going to find. How we are going to find cost of a 1 meter square, right? Cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20. Then cost of 5.45 meter square. 5.45 meter square is equal to 20 into 5.45 is equal to 109. Therefore, rupees 109 has been charged for 5.45 meter square. Right? We will see one more example. Sum number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So what are given? We are having given. So length is equal to 5 meter, breadth is equal to 4 meter, height is equal to 3 meter, right? And cost of 1 meter square is equal to, right? Cost of painting the walls per meter square, that is 1 meter square is equal to rupees 7.50, right? 7 rupees 50 paise, right? Now what we want to find? To find the cost of painting, right? So for finding the cost of whitewashing, first what we are needed, we need the area, right? Surface area of that rooms, right? Surface area of the room, right? So see that surface area of the room. See where and all they are doing the whitewash. It's nothing but 4 walls, right? Washing the walls of the room. That means we are having 4 walls and the ceiling. Ceiling is nothing but area of the top, right? So how we want to find the surface area is nothing but lateral surface area of a cuboid, because see that I told you that length, breadth, height, 3 different dimensions. So the room is nothing but it is in the shape of cuboid, right? And lateral surface area of cuboid plus area of the top, right? So we want to leave the area of the bottom, because they have said that they are whitewashing the walls and the top of the room. Ceiling alone they are washing, right? They didn't they didn't do the whitewash on the floor, right? Only they are doing the whitewash on the 4 walls and top of the room, right? That is nothing but ceiling of the room, right? So it's nothing but surface area, right? Surface area of a cuboid. Surface area of cuboid is equal to LSA, right? Lateral surface area of cuboid plus area of top. It is equal to, what is LSA of cuboid? 2 into L plus B into H plus, what is it in the top? What are things we are having? Length and breadth. There is no height, right? In the top The area of a rectangle is nothing but we are having length and width only we are having. So area of a top is nothing but length into breadth, right? So now we know the values L, B, H and LB. All we know that. Substitute and simplify, we'll get the surface area, and cost of whitewashing is nothing but 1 meter square, right? Cost per meter square into total surface area, right, is equal to 2 into L is nothing but 5 plus B is nothing but 4 into height is nothing but 3, right? Close the bracket. This fully one term plus second term L into B, 5 into 4, 5 into 4. It is equal to 2 into 5 plus 4, 9 into 3, right, plus 5 4s are 20. Now just multiply, 2 9s are 18, 18 into 3, 54. So 54 plus 20 is equal to 74 meters square. Therefore, surface area of the, right, surface area of the room, right, cuboidal room is nothing but 74 meters square. The rate of whitewashing per meter square, 1 meter square, rate of whitewashing 1 meter square is equal to rupees 7.50 pice. Then the rate of the total cost of whitewashing the room, right, the total cost of whitewashing the room is equal to 74, total area 74 into each per meter square, 7.50 pice. 74 into 7.50 is nothing but 5 rupees 555. That's it, right? Homework sum, not only homework sum. This is exercise 13.1, sum number 5. You can take this as a homework sum. A cuboidal box, sorry, a cubical box. Cubical box is nothing but cube, right? A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter, right? A cubical box, each edge has 10 centimeter. So what is it? Side of a cube is nothing but 10 centimeter. Side of a cube is nothing but 10 centimeter. And another cuboidal, that is nothing but cuboid, right? Cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter height, right? We are having two different 3D. We are having two different boxes, right? One is nothing but cube box, another one is nothing but cuboid box, right? Cube box and cuboid. For finding the cube, right, for finding a surface area and volume of cube, we need side alone, side or edge alone, it's enough, right? For finding the surface area of cuboid or volume of cuboid, whatever it may be, we need length, breadth and height, right? We are having, right? So what we want to find? So all we are having, so we directly we can find. So what we want to find? Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? So first what we want to find? We want to find the LSA of cube and LSA of cuboid, and we want to compare, right? And we want to compare which is bigger, right? Which is bigger and how much it is bigger. So we have to subtract and we have to say how much is bigger. Suppose if a LSA of cube is nothing but 100 meter, right? If LSA of cube is nothing but 100 meter square, right? And LSA of cuboid is nothing but 120 meter square, right? How much it is differ? How much it is greater? 20 meter square is greater, right? So likewise we have to write. So first we want to find LSA of cube and LSA of cuboid, right? This is first subdivision. Second subdivision, which box has the smaller, which box has the smaller, whether cubical box is smaller or cuboidal box is smaller, right? And total surface area, sorry, which box has the smaller total surface area. So by finding the total surface area, we want to say which box is smaller and by how much. So how much it has been smaller, right? So same thing, we want to find total surface area for cube and cuboid, and we want to say what is the difference, right? So here which is greater and here which is smaller, right?